Now, next topic is what are the bases on which industries are classified? There are so many factors, but here, according to your syllabus, we are discussing over here only 5 bases on which industries are classified. First is on the basis of raw material. How can we classify on the basis of raw material? There are two categories: agro based industries and mineral based industries. I am repeating once again. On the basis of raw material, we can divide the industries on two parts: agro based industries and mineral based industries. Next is according to their main role. According to their main role, in how many parts we can divide the industries? There are also two: basic industries and consumer industries. Next is on the basis of capital investment, in how many parts we can divide the industry. You can see here small scale industries and large scale industry. What are the example of large scale industries and small scale industry? In which we are investing more than 1 crore rupee, they are large scale industries, and in which we are investing less than 1 crore rupee, they are known as small scale industry. But according to new data given in NCERT books, the industries in which we are investing more than 5 crore rupees, they are large scale industries, and less than 5 crore rupees, they are known as small scale industries. What are the example of large scale industries? Iron and steel industry, cement industries are the example of large scale industry. And what are the example of small scale industries? Toy industry, bottle industry, they are the example of small scale industry. Is it clear? Next is on the basis of ownership. On the basis of ownership, in how many parts we can divide the industry? First is public sector, second is private sector, next is cooperative sector, and another is joint sector. I am repeating once again. On the basis of ownership, in how many parts we can divide the industries? First is public sector, next private sector, cooperative sector, and then joint sector. And the fifth basis is on the basis of bulk and weight. On the basis of weight, in how many parts we can divide the industries? There are two: heavy and light industries. Heavy industries are, the example of heavy industries are oil mining, shipbuilding, and the example of light industries are sofa making, furniture making, and bulb making factory are the example of light industry. Is it clear to all of you? Now we shall discuss these parts of raw material one by one. Firstly, we shall discuss about agro based industries, then we shall discuss about mineral based industry. What are agro based industries? Agro based industries are those industries I have told which are dependent on agriculture material. For example, cotton, wool, jute, silk, textile, rubber, sugar, tea, coffee, edible oil. There are so many examples of agro based industry. Next is mineral based industry. Mineral based industry is that industry which is dependent on minerals. Iron and steel industry, cement, aluminium, machine, tools, petrochemical, these are the example of mineral based industry. Now we shall discuss the categorization based on main role, that is basic industry and consumer industry. Basic or key industries are those which supply their products as raw material to manufacture other goods. For example, iron and steel and copper smelting, aluminium smelting, they are the example of what? These are the example of basic industry. It means iron may be the basic for any heavy industry. After that, next is consumer industry. Consumer industry is that industry in which what happens? Consumer industry that produce goods for direct use by the consumers. Sugar, toothpaste, paper, sewing machine, fans. These are directly used by the consumer. So these industries are known as consumer industry. Is it clear to all of you? Next is on the basis of capital investment. There are two types of industries, small scale industries and large scale industries. We have discussed these 2 points earlier also. Large scale industries are those industries in which capital investment is more than 5 crore rupees. And the example of large scale industries are cement industry, iron and steel industry. Next is small scale industry. Small scale industries are those industries in which capital investment is less than 5 crore rupees. Is it clear? Next is on the basis of ownership. On the basis of ownership, we can divide our industries into four categories: public sector, next is private sector, cooperative sector and joint sector. We shall discuss about these one by one. First is public sector industries. These are owned and operated by government agencies, and there is a full rights of government on these industries. Bhel and sale are the example of public sector industries. Next is private sector industries. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individual or a group of individual. Tisco, Bajaj, Auto Limited, Dabur Industries, they are the example of private sector industries. Next is cooperative sector. These industries are owned and operated by the producer or suppliers of raw material, workers or both. They pool in the resources and share the profits of losses proportionately. Such examples are the sugar industry in Maharashtra, the coir industry in Kerala. I am repeating cooperative industry once again. Cooperative sector industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw material. And the example of cooperative sector industries are what they are: sugar industry and coir industry. Sugar industry in Maharashtra and coir industry in Kerala. Is it clear to all of you? Yes. Next is on the basis of bulk and weight, we can divide the industries in two parts: heavy industry and light industries. What are heavy industries? Heavy industries are those industries which are using heavy material like iron and steel for manufacturing products. Oil mining, shipbuilding are the example of heavy industries. Then light industries that use light raw material and produce light goods such as electrical goods, industries, sofa making, furniture making are the example of what? Are the example of bulk and weight industries.